Hi guys, Thomas Manners, Manners Composite Stocks. We're at the range this morning to talk about some of our new offerings, plus some of the new features of the offerings that make our stocks top of the line and elite. First thing we want to talk about is the ProPack folder. This comes in two versions, a non-adjustable cheek and an adjustable cheek version. The biggest difference between the two is weight. The non-adjustable version, depending on options, you can get anywhere from 32 to 34 ounces. The better the pad, the heavier it is. We have worked with Kickies to kind of develop a new pad just for us. It's a hollow pad. It's a 5/8 pad. That's just amazing for the big calipers. If you want to keep this stock super light, we do offer some 1/2-inch pad options. They're great for hunting. One of the key features when we were designing this, we wanted something super lightweight, super compact. What we did, we started with our mini chest. We've had this out for years. It's proven in the field, very accurate, bolt in, repeatable, and go. What we wanted to do was get a folder that is compact as possible. To start that, we wanted to get the mechanism ahead of the grip as close to the action as we could. The hinge is actually incorporated in the mini chassis as one piece. That's what gives it its strength. To open it up, it's just a simple push on the side. It closes. It gets retained by actually two magnets. There are two earth magnets in there. To deploy it, all you need to do is flick it and you're ready to go. Another key feature of this is the width. We wanted to get something that is no bigger than, say, a barreled action with a bolt closed. Once the bolt, it closes over the grip, is super compact. To deploy it, you don't need to open your bolt, just flick the stock and it will push the bolt open and you're ready to go. Some of the other cool features on this stock, or innovative features on this stock, we're actually using a new cup system. The cup system is actually in our ProPack folders. It's actually a molded in cup system. And what I mean by molded in, on traditional cups, you have to have a heavy material in the stock. The heavy material in the stock adds weight. This system, it's actually a bolt through. It's molded into the side of the stock, so there's two flanges. Almost impossible to pull out. Very strong while still maintaining that, like, and have a lightweight fill in that stock, so it's super lightweight. Another feature on the stock, we wanted to do a molded in ARCA rail. This ARCA rail we actually started years ago. You know, at SHOT Show we kind of displayed a few ARCA rails that we machined and tried to bolt on, none of them work. This ARCA rail is actually molded into part of the shell. Very, very strong, very stiff. You'd have to totally destroy the stock to break this. Another key feature is what we call the Crucifix rail. This stock is designed as a hunting stock. We actually offer two Crucifix rails. A very, very short, narrow Crucifix rail for more of the traditional hunting bipods, the super lightweights. And then we have one that's a little bit taller. It's about 100 thousandths taller for the guys wanting to run the newer style dual ARCA pick rail adapters for the bipods or tripods. The only difference is about 100 thousandths higher. The pick rail actually comes standard with 3 cups. It also has a removable stud for a standard harris. It also comes non-rotating and rotating version. Along with the back cup, that's also offered in a rotating and non-rotating version. On the ProPack Folder A, adjustable cheek, we really kind of have a cool, innovative design. One of the biggest advantages on this, we wanted to develop a cheek system that was kind of a step above our LRH. Our LRH is a great system. It's super lightweight, but to achieve that, we actually use spacers in it. Nothing wrong with that, but we wanted to get something that is a little bit easier adjustable. You don't have to worry about the spacers, and we think we really knocked it out of the park here. On a lot of our stocks, and a lot of other manufacturer stocks, they have to have a heavy material in here to support that hardware. By the way we designed this, it actually keys into the shell. It's kind of back to, I don't have to have that heavy material in the stock to support that hardware. The way this is designed, it keys into the shell, locks into the shell, it's indestructible. To adjust it, all you need is a 5/32 Allen. Pop it in a quick turn. You can get it all the way out. Put it back in, you can set it. You get about 3/4 to an inch of movement up and down. To lock it in, just a quick turn, super solid, you'll never lose it.